Do your videos lack personality because they're always shot from the same perspective? Are you bored of carbon copy selfies? Now you can take photography and videography to new heights. Literally, meet Birdie. Birdie is an aerodynamically shaped case for popular action cams like the GoPro. You simply insert your device and toss Birdie into the air. We wanted to create something that would allow photographers to explore new points of view in an affordable and simple way. Using Birdie feels like a game of catch. With a sprinkle of engineering and the concepts behind Shutterstock or badminton ball, we have achieved what we expected. Once Birdie reaches maximum altitude, it will steadily start to fall with the camera facing downwards.
In today's hectic world, it's getting increasingly difficult to remember what truly matters: the health of you and your loved ones. But now, someone can help. With his artificial intelligence, Pillow recognizes each and every member of your family and starts caring for them.
Clara, here are your cholesterol pills. I see you're running low. Shall I reorder them for you?
Thank you, Pillow. That'd be great.
Pillow is 100% secure, and his skills and functionalities will grow the more you use him, the more he gets to know you.
Here are your vitamins to go. Enjoy your training session, Liza.
Thank you, Pillow.
Since Pillow's always connected, he can answer all of your health-related questions.
Pillow, how many calories are in a celery stick?
6 calories, Clara. Celery is excellent for your health.
Great, I'll have a bunch then.
Aww. Good morning.
Pillow is simple to set up and makes the management of complex medication regimens very easy. He'll remind you, so you'll never miss a dose again.
Wait, John. It's Tuesday. Here's your blood pressure medication.
You're right. Thank you, Pillow.
And if you want, he'll notify your caretakers in case of an emergency, like when he forgot his heart medication.
Hey, Dad. I just got a message from Pillow. Everything okay?
Because, you see, Pillow's not just a member of the family, he's a true healthcare companion. And since he can sync with any wearable and wireless devices, Mark can share his combined health and wellness data through one secure, user-friendly platform where he receives fast and reliable feedback.
Goodbye, Doctor. Thank you, Pillow.
Because sometimes, all you need to stay healthy is a friendly, timely reminder. And that's exactly what Pillow will do for you.
Noki is a small, elegant device that instantly transforms ordinary surfaces in your environment into remote controls. Using Noki couldn't be easier. Simply take it out of the box, pick a place to put it, select a surface to attach it to, and then define all the things you'd like Noki to do. Noki can control a wide variety of devices around us. But the true beauty of our technology is that what it can do is only limited by your imagination. Put one in your living room, or the kitchen, or even your bedroom. I mean, imagine rolling over in the morning and tapping a simple pattern anywhere on your nightstand to snooze your alarm and start the coffee maker without even opening your eyes. You just bought 10 more minutes in bed. And you'll definitely want to put one in your kid's bedroom. It's exciting to think of how Noki will spark their imagination as they figure out all kinds of ways to use it.
Using Wi-Fi, which is proven to be far more reliable and with better reach than Bluetooth, you can enjoy using Noki from anywhere. The number of devices and software that Noki interacts with is rapidly growing every day. It currently includes Nest, Philips Hue, LifeX, SmartThings, IFTTT, and more. But even if you're new to the smart technology world, you can still use Noki for simple functions around your home. Other technologies that rely on sound or voice control can be unreliable and confusing to use. They can be triggered accidentally and don't always work as expected. Our patent-pending technology uses non-acoustic sensors. It's able to distinguish deliberate tap or knock patterns from random vibrations in the environment.
Unlike other 3D printing pens on the market, Poly-S utilizes light curing technology. Photosensitive polymers are exposed to ultraviolet light. At the same time, this allows the Poly-S to avoid disadvantages found in other printing pens that use ABS or PLA materials. We have completely eliminated all high-temperature parts, so that drawing no longer means having to work with high-temperature 500°C tools. Our goal is to provide users with the safest experience possible. We believe that 1.2 inches is the ideal diameter for hand-operated tools. This provides users with the greatest degree of control when holding the tool with one hand. From the LED battery indicator and ink level port to the pen's elegantly designed concave pen tip, every aspect of the Poly-S has been designed with the needs of everyday users in mind, so that drawing is an enjoyable experience.
The world should be colorful. Poly-S's beautiful exterior should convince you to Poly-Yes. Say yes to a polychrome world.
EXO is a strong stainless steel exoskeleton and an impact absorption system, providing luxurious security which protects the vulnerable areas of your cherished device, all while leaving it virtually bare. Inspired by the craftsmanship and quality of mechanical watch movements, we wanted to distill that luxury and functionality, part of our digital now. EXO is made of high-grade stainless steel. It is hand-finished like an exclusive watch before it is polished and laser-etched. Finally, the internal surfaces are flocked, giving the iPhone soft, velvety seat. Building on a heritage of design, EXO is a result of more than 2 years of research and development. You can attach your phone to a variety of accessories by inserting your accessories clover into the center of EXO. With a secure connection, the possibilities are endless.